All right, bet. Let's quick edit these. So I'm quick editing these, and yes, I'm listening to my motivational, because this is real about Unfiltered, bro. It helps me focus on one thing at one time. So I'm gonna just, if y'all hear this in the background, don't do too much. Just chill and just edit with me. All right, just vibe. All right, so we're in Lightroom right now. I did like a light edit on it. I literally just put, like, just did a little light edit on it. I want the colors to kind of match, because like I wanted them to be white at first, but then I was like, I kind of wanted to be off-white because it is off-white, so I feel like it would go more with her gold because she's wearing gold. So I made it a little bit more warmer tones. If it stops spinning, like, come on, bro. I keep this detail view up too. If you hit right here, it'll let you do a detail view, and I just put it on one of my other monitors so I could view it like closer to my face, I guess. Bruh, now it's, bruh, it was just doing fine. Now it's like buffering like crazy, bruh. It was doing fine. Okay, there we go. After. Made it a little bit better, so I'm gonna go down a little bit on that. Vibrance. I need to get YouTube Premium, bro, but it's like $20 a month, so I don't know about that, bro. There you go. Right click, edit in Photoshop. Right click, edit in Photoshop. I literally do a light edit on each one, right? I'll do a light edit on one, and I'll just copy and paste those settings. So I'll go 3 dots, choose any setting to copy, and I'll literally just go to masking, copy it, and then just paste it all over all of them, like wherever it needs to be pasted at, for real, I ain't gonna lie. And then I just go ahead and lock in, start get into Photoshop. Bro, come on, lock in, bro. There you go. Alright, so I'm gonna go Command J, hit C to crop it. Crop it at like a good little spot, I feel like. There you go. Going through the phase. I'm gonna go down a little bit more. Got the full body. I could just select all of this and just go you know, generative fill, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just select the top, stretch the top out a little bit. Hit enter, Command D. Now select this side as far as possible without messing up like the prop. Command T. Drag over a little bit. Hit enter, hit Command D. Now I could just select what I feel like needs to be selected, and then either hit remove or I'll go even with the reflection still. I shot this with reflective mylar on the floor, so I could hit remove or I could hit generative, but I'm gonna just remove because we'll see what remove does. Can I make this bigger? It's like, yeah. And then Lightroom, bigger. I want to make sure like it like fills with y'all, so y'all can see it at full capacity. But Command 0, literally did a great job, bro. Now I'm gonna just hit hold Command and collect these two, and hit Command E to merge them together. And then boom, Shift Command X, hold Shift, hold Shift and hold Command and hold X. Now I could just bring it all together. I think you had a tag inside of there. I think that's what that is. There you go. There we go. There we go. Command 0, just like that. Before, after. Simple, slight, and then too much. Oh, I could do the flowers too. I'm gonna go back in. Learn your keyboard shortcuts, guys, for Photoshop. Like, it helps you edit so much faster. I mean, learn the keyboard shortcuts low key. Try to learn them first, but you really could learn them after you learn how to use Photoshop first, because keyboard shortcuts just start making shit more complicated if you don't already know what each of the things do. Like, if you already know what each of the different things do, okay, boom, it help you a little bit more. But if you guys don't even know what the little things do, you're kind of done for, I ain't gonna lie. There we go, Command 0, bam. And I thought this is great. Like, this is an amazing image, and we're done right there. Next one, same thing. I like that one. I'm about to go back into Lightroom and see what else we got. This one right here. I actually like that's fine. Edit in Photoshop. this one. Edit in Photoshop. Command JJ. Every time I open it first, that's the first thing I do is duplicate. Hit C to crop. Make my crop look good. Level it up where I feel like it needs to be. Double click. And now I'm going to go ahead and fill in these parts where I feel like it needs. I think that's really it right there, right? Yeah, hit remove. I think it looks good. Oh, I gotta remove that stain. She had sprayed her dress with perfume and it like stained the fabric. Excuse me. So you guys can like literally see it, like it kind of stained the fabric. Hold on, come in, merge them together. Alright, zoom in, literally, so there we go. Boom. 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 Like you kind of see the spray marks, bro. Like I was looking at it, I was like, not right now, but I was looking at it like in person. I was like, oh, I was like, girl, you spill oil on yourself? And she was like, no, I think it's the perfume. I was like, girl, you was trying to smell good. After you put the dress on, you don't really need no perfume. You ain't going nowhere. Unless she was coming from somewhere or going somewhere. There we go. I got some kitchen cooking. I'm about to say cooking. I got some chicken on the stove. There we go. Command 0. Yes. Hit OK. Bro, I gotta get it. I gotta get premium. I don't got no bread right now though, bro. I'm trying to get YouTube premium. Not gonna lie. Hit X to save. And it'll save it right back there. Same thing to do. I'm gonna do it right here. I remember that stain. Literally, I just remembered that stain right there. I'm gonna go hit C to crop. Drag that bad boy down. Double click. What are the real perks? Like, if somebody's watching this video right now, bro, what's the perks of YouTube Premium, bro? So I'm like, put me on game. Like, what is it that I don't know? You know what I'm saying? Like, am I sleeping on something? You know, like, is it really that good, bro? Like, that I'm really like missing out on something? You know, like, just let me know. There we go. Remove. Bro, when you build a set, building a set into a corner is probably the best thing you could ever do, bro. Like, when you're trying to build a set, like, take up 2 walls, bro. Because when you take up 1 wall, you can only shoot one direction, bro. Like, there's literally it's going to be boring, and it's not going to be dynamic at all. If you build it into a corner, bro, it just makes it look bigger. It makes it look better. It makes it look like you actually, like, put some shit together. You know what I'm saying? So, definitely, like, amazing setup. Like, definitely do it into a corner, bro. I recommend corner shooting for sure. Like, I've noticed that I've noticed that lately. Like, I wasn't always like, oh yeah, you know, corner shooter. Like, now I'm like, oh yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Like, cause I've noticed that a lot of times where like I'm trying to shoot something from an angle and I get a little bit of the outside of the set, and it's like you don't want the outside of the set. It's like, but if you had angled the set to where like you used up 2 walls rather than using up 1 wall, you could have gotten a better shot. You know what I'm saying? Like on some corner, you know what I'm saying? Some corner shoot shit. It's hard to like do the liquefying because all of the different fabrics behind her. So like trying to like push out her like hips without it looking kind of fake is like hard, because I'm not trying to push them out too much. I'm trying to do a little something, you know, give her a little curvature. I know she was really worried while we were shooting about her dress like not showing her like body like size. She was like, man, like, so she's like, I got hips, but my dress made like I don't got no hips. I'm like, all right, cool, I got you. There we go. Command 0. There we go. Hit OK. There you go. Hit X to save. Boom. And it's literally just constant duplication. Command JJ. Hit C. Double click. Boom. And we're going to go ahead and just, if you want to, you could do a little removing of this. Just like that. Boom. Just like that. Boom. 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 Y'all got no earrings in. I'm going to go boom, boom, because y'all got no earrings in. So I'm not going to just leave the holes there. I mean, that's just me, though. Command 0, Shift, Command X. Give her a little wham wham, wham wham, wham whammy, wham whammy. But we got a meet up this week, bro, and I'm like crashing out because I want everything to be so perfect and like models are flaking, but I don't got a whole studio, so we gotta make this shit we shake. If I gotta pay for a model, I might have to. Cause like you want people that fit the aesthetic. So the aesthetic that I'm going for is like a fitness aesthetic. I'm not going for like a, I have a particular aesthetic I want for this meetup, and it's like when only certain types of people are saying okay, and you want someone that fits the look for what you're trying to go for. I'm trying to do two types of aesthetic. I want to show you guys how to do birthday shoots, and I want to show you guys how to do like a fitness shoot. So I'm trying to do two things in one location. So we'll see how this goes. Oh, yeah, hit save. Same thing right there. Bow. Before, after. I think this is good right here. I can hit X. I gotta check and make sure that there's no more of the that little like stain on her. When I go back to all photos, it'll show them. It'll show which ones I've done and which ones I haven't finished. I haven't finished this one. Right click, edit in Photoshop. Hit C to crib. There you go. Double click. Command JJ. And select this right here. And hit remove. I think this might need to get removed too, like this part, but they might not notice that. So we'll see. This is what I listen to though, bro. This is what like reroutes my brain. This is like that stuff that I listen to that brainwashes me. That be like, that gets my mind like brainwashed, bro. Like into like, oh yeah. You know what I'm saying? Like it gets me in that mindset. Like it's like when I'm listening to other music, like it goes in my ear, out of the ear. I think it's because there's no substance to it. But when I listen to this, I'm able to proactively like lock in. Like I think like while I'm listening to this, I'm like learning something and getting motivated, and I'm teaching. Like I feel like I'm getting a lot more done, and I think it's due to my neurodivergence. Like I literally think that it's because of the way that like my brain works, bro. It's like if I'm multitasking, I feel like I'm being very productive. Like, so I'm trying to find a way to like trick my mind into multitasking, but not. Like I'm really doing one task, but being that I'm listening to like, motivational speeches or a podcast at the same time, then my mind feels like it's being, hyper productive because, oh my God, you're doing 30 things at once. But like in reality, you're really only working towards one thing. So find a way to learn yourself, bro. Try to find a way to understand your working style and how you work and like what conditions you need for you to be able to like get surgical. Like me, I've been taking lion's mane. It's been working out a lot to like help me like focus. It's like I guess like a legal form of Adderall. But like it helps you focus, like, and it's natural. It's like a natural thing. Like it's a powdered pill or whatever, and it's like lion's mane. First, I learned out about it because I was taking energy drinks. I was trying to take more natural energy drinks that didn't like have taurine in it or didn't like give me a crash. So I started taking natural ones, and one of the key ingredients, and one of them was lion's mane. I was like, it was like lion's mane gives cognitive function and focus, things of that nature. Like, okay, let me try that out. So I had tried it out. It was good, and I was like, okay, what if I like take just lion mane, but like with water, and I have to like buy a whole energy drink? Like, what if I could do just like a lion's mane pill or like powder, like how I do with creatine? I'm like, okay, boom. So I got that, tried that out, and that shit hits different, bro. It was like $8. It's like $8 for like a can of like 80 tablets or 60 tablets, one of those numbers. But it works really good, and it helps me stay like focused and locked in. But you got to take it like when you start a task. Like don't take it before you start a task, because you might fuck around and get focused on some other shit that you don't got no business getting focused on. All right, I think this is ending video right here. So yeah, crop them again. I think that's good right there. So before, after, very subtle, very simple. If you wanted to remove this, you really could. I leave it all natural because there's a lot of stuff going on in the background, so it's busy enough to where it's like distracting the eye of the viewer. So I don't really need to remove all this stuff. If it was a clean backdrop, I'd go crazier on the skin, but like it's not really needed. But I'll do like this, little stuff like this I could do. I do have the retouch pack, so I could use a retouch pack right now. But I feel like certain aspects of like a person's body are like, beauty. Like, it's a part of like, who they are. So, but yeah. Look at that. Yeah, just like that. Hit X, hit save, and then it saves all of them to here. And I'll just select them all by selecting the first one in the stack. Then I'll hit hold shift. And I'll click the last one. I'll go to export as large, and I'll go to large JPG large, and then I'll just export it to my downloads, and I'll save them like that, and then I can upload them to Pixieset from there. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys have anything else that you guys want me to like go over. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you guys are a part of PNG University. Make sure you guys, just lock in with that boy. Leave any questions that you have down below. What else do you guys want to see me work on or want to see me do? And yeah, until next time, Taxi. Love you guys. Talk to y'all later.